Welcome to another great video. I'm going to show you how you can create your own assistant for your social media platforms, your profile, or anything in that nature, right? So I'm in my back office of the marketing platform that I use. So I'm going to go into ad flow, right? And show you how simple this really is. So I'm just going to say chatbot to Larry's profile. All right. So I'm gonna add that. All right, now you see it's being added on here. So I'm gonna open the floor. All right. Now you see over here have the first message that's saying hi, right? You see over here, these are all the buttons and things that you can add to your chat bot. And I'm gonna go over there a little bit later. But let me show you how simple this is when it comes down to using ChatGPT. So I'm gonna go to my notes where I already have some things already set up. So I'm gonna copy this, all right? Put this back down. So let's go to ChatGPT. All right, so I'm gonna paste this. You see how I say, and you can use this, you can pause this, you can use this if you want to, and you want to create your bot, but create a quick, engaging, emotion triggering chatbot flow, introducing a viewer to my social media account. Then I have my link right here, right? So let's hit that. As you're gonna see, it's breaking it down for you. Here's an engaging, emotion triggering chatbot that follow the flow, right? So I'm gonna let ChatGPT do what it does. And this already is doing it for you, right? So I had to go all the way down. You gotta love AI, man. It's really copy and paste, like simple. You just have to be able to sit down and eliminate distractions. So let's go up here. Now you see where it said a welcome message. Hey there, looking for inspiration, growing tips, or just a daily boost to crush your goals? You're in the right place. Mind if I share something amazing with you? Now you see where it said a button options. Sure, tell me more, not sure yet. So let's just go back to what we were doing. Like this the welcome message. Let me just copy this right here, right? So if I copy this, let's go back to the sidebar. You see where it said this message? Let's click on here. Question with a button. You can add an image to the beginning of the text or in the end if you wanted to. But let's move this hello message out the way. So let's paste this. Look at this. Hey there, looking for inspiration, growing tips, or just a daily boost to crush your goals? You're in the right place. Mind if I share something amazing with you? So, as you can see right here, it's asking to share something. Now, if you go down here, see I have this right here? That's a button. See how I said add a button? We're going to add one. You got one that said hi and one that's just saying button. And with this, you can choose to make it a step or you can put a link right there. But right now, we're going to use it as a step. Let's go back to ChatGPT. All right, here go our button options right here. So I'm going to take the first one, right? I'm going to take this whole thing. Sure, tell me more, right? Copy this. Now, where this hi at, I can move this out the way. I can paste it. Same way with this button right here. I can go back to ChatGPT. It says not sure yet, right? So let's go back here where it said button. All right. So now you have them as steps. So let's go back to ChatGPT. Now it's telling you if they click sure, tell me more, this is the next thing that you can provide for them. So let's go back to the chatbot. Let's say I wanted to put one with let's just say with buttons again, right? So this one, let's say we can go back and check. See where it say sure, tell me more. You can go right back here, connect this to this, right? Now you got a button down here. So you go back to ChatGPT. I can sit up here and say Copy all of this. Go back. Come right here. Scroll up. So this is the text, right? So this. I'm Larry Williams, and my mission is to help you unlock your full potential and achieve success, whether it's in business, focus, or leveling up your mindset. Join me over on my Facebook page where I share exclusive insights, quick tips, and proven strategies to help you win every day. Ready to check it out? All right, so I can go back here. Here go the buttons again. See? This right here. Like even not even taking this whole thing because it's telling you to redirect them back to your Facebook link. So say like me copying this right here, right? And this is what makes this very, very great because I'm doing this in live time so you can see it, right? So you see where it says it has button. So I'm gonna put this button down here. Now it's saying take me there, right? As a step. But I can also go down here like I did on the first. I can add another button. See right there? Go back to ChatGPT. This is the other one. I can put down here and tell me what's on the page. So let's go back. It's a lot of back and forth. Just copy and pasting. It means it's taking your time, actually. All right. Let's go right here. See where it said tell me what's on the page? This right here said take me there. So on the take me there, I can change this into the link. Okay, you see right here on ChatGPT, it said redirect into your Facebook link. So I can go get, let's go get my link right here. Let's get that right there. Let's get our link, copy, put this back down, go back to the site. All right, see where it's saying link, right? You would drop your link right there. Now, as you see, it's starting to take flow, right? So go back to ChatGPT. Now, if it's saying if they click not sure yet, see, it's still going based off this above. So let's say we go back to the site bot. See where it says not sure yet, right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go up here, buttons, move this out the way. All right, said not sure yet. I'm gonna connect that. All right, all I have to do is go back to ChatGPT, copy all of this, come here. So it said like I'm all the way up at the step. You go to text, copy and paste. So I can have this on here. I can space it out if I want to. Right there. See, space it out because it's showing you over here how it can be looking. And you can take this whole thing and come right here and move it. You can zoom in and zoom out, right? All right, so it's saying, how does that sound? You see the buttons at the bottom, right? I love ChatGPT. Just keep going back. Look at this. Buttons. It said, look, I'm in there. Take me there. Redirecting to the Facebook link. So my first button, I'm gonna take that button, change the name of that. All right. Now let's say I want to put another button because it's saying maybe later. All right. So let's go back. Let's put this button down here where it says maybe later. Right. So again, following just ChatGPT, you see how it's saying I'm in, take me there. I want to change this to a link because I want the people to be able to get to my profile, right? So I go back to my notes, same link, copy, boom, come back here, put the link, boom, right? So let's just see it in real time. I'm gonna save these changes. Now I want to preview it. Let's go to preview. Yeah, you could change all of these colors in the background, but this is just for demonstration purposes at the moment, right? See, I said, hey there, looking for inspiration, growth tips, or just a daily boost to crush your goals? you're in the right place. Mind if I share something amazing with you? Sure. Look, you can change all the color of this as well. Look at this. I'm Larry Williams, and my mission is to help you unlock your full potential and achieve success, whether it's in business, focus, or leveling up your mindset. Join me over on Facebook, on my Facebook page, where I share exclusive insight, quick tips, and proven strategies to help you win every day. Ready to check it out? So say they said, yeah, take me there. Look where it's taking them. If it loads up, like to take its time. Mm-mm. Taking its time. Let's go ahead. See? Taking it right to Facebook page. Right? Can't get better than that. Let's go back to the site bot. Let's just say we want to reload the flow. And let's just say we said, mind if I share something made with you? Not sure yet. All right, click on that. It still gave me what I went to ChatGPT up here to get. Look, if they click not sure yet, see what I'm saying? Take me right back here. No worries. Let me give you a sneak peek. On my page, you will find actionable tips to grow your mindset, strategy to crush distraction to boost focus, all that. How does that sound? Now, if somebody even come from this angle, they can be like, all right, I'm in. Or they can say, maybe later they want to go. Maybe later. And as you can see, I haven't put any more buttons and features behind that. So that's why that stopped at maybe later. But even up here, see? You see where the button's at? Now I can go connect another button, another phrase, and put this on here for the final follow-up. If they click maybe later, if they click what I just put, I can add right on here, I can add another flow right here that's giving me the information that I can just put in right here, as well as the button. You see what I'm saying? So that was just a little quick way that you can use this tool when it comes down to building a business, especially if you want to be able to have assistants that you may can't pay people a ton of money to share your stuff or to do the selling and telling for you. That's why this platform would be very, very great for you to use, to learn. And you see how easy it was that I was just doing. That's just simple copy and paste. Look at it. You're copying and pasting, putting things together. And as well, you can go down here and add email marketing. You can send an email. You can put a phone number on here. You can put your time, date. You can put all this stuff over here to really customize the type of chatbot or assistant that you want when it comes down to your opportunity, your product, or your service. So feel free to click the link that's in the descriptions or reach out to me if you have any questions when it comes down to creating your chat bot. But guess what? You can use, look at it, man. You can use ChatGPT, use this prompt to create a chatbot flow. And you ain't even really doing no thinking. You can put your product, you can put your website, you can put anything right here and let ChatGPT create it for you. Then you come to this marketing platform, put it all together. You continue to grow. And once you go to the preview, check it out. Let's see, reload it. I can't want to go back. Let's go back to the plan. Guess it want to load when it want to load. But you see how I can move all of this. I can take this, zoom out, zoom back in. But yeah, if you have any questions or concern, please feel free to reach out to me and let's get this together. Cause it's too much time out here. Look at this. See, Logan wants to. But as you can see right here, these bots, you can go here to the QR code generator, put a link right here in the background, create you a free QR code based on that. And these chat bots can really do wonders. So even if I go back to the builder, remember I was telling you right here, you can put pictures. See right here? You can put pictures at the top. right? You can go to pixels.com, www.pixels.com. You can get free stock photos right here, download to your computer. That way, when you come back here, you can put them at the top, or you can put them down at the bottom, your images. So let's continue to grow. If you like this content, please like, follow, share this with somebody that can help, and let's continue to grow today.